So guys, as you know, there's a new Fossil update, and right now I'm in the place, so obviously we can do the digging, but I don't need to do that because it's past the last day. So I'm just going to show you where you get the egg from. This is the egg at the top here. And yeah. So let's go ahead and buy a fossil egg. Woohoo! Some inventory. So if we go into pets, we have a fossil egg. I've also collected a legendary one on my first unbox. And then I've got 2 woolly mammoths, which I'm trying to trade out. So if you have an offer, come to me, because I just want to trade them. So since I am getting a lot of fossil eggs, because I've been looking after my pets a lot, I will be trading them half too. So if you're a fan, come to me, say you are. Or if you just play Roblox even, come to me, say you are, and yeah, well, I might be able to give you a pet. And there are loads of other new games. I've got 2 new games I want to show you. A few days ago we did a fail thing, so it was failing for us to update. Also, there's a fail update on here, to be saying it. It's an awesome fail update, which is pretty cool. There are loads of people in the server right now, so I picked the right server, guys. The Ride Bunny. Cute. So if we go over here, guys, this is the fail update thing. It's so cool. There's like a pool and a hot tub, and there's loads of places to climb and play. Yeah. I'm not gonna go up to the high place because I want you guys to find that yourself. Even though I already know where it is. Tammy, oh, so cute. I'm gonna trade this guy. What should I put in, guys? Well, this would be what? Putting in both of these in a tray. Look how different they look. It's so weird. Would they do that? Maybe I... What if I added a woolly mammoth? And toucan? Toucans are really popular. But I'm not sure if this is... I mean... If I had that, I would accept. But it's that person's total view. We don't go to parties like this. Oh, cute. Let me trade this guy. Cute. No photo. What do you think about this trade? Oh, no, they're not getting me away. Mega Neon Fluoride. Oh, wow. It's an amazing thing. My sister's one. What are they saying? I'm just gonna say trading. Fossil egg. Turtle. I need a comma. Right there. Select turtle. No, wait. Fly. Yes, I got a tray. I knew that would work. What should I put in? What did they put in? If I was to put in that isn't a good tray. So right now, I'm guessing, what should we do? We have a few things to do. Let's actually go to my house. So you know guys, it's really cool. You can do most things at home if you get the right equipment. Let me show you. So you can only do the most things in my room because I've got the most stuff in my room in this house. So if you get this or any type of circle bed, lie down, prop bed, any bed, if you go into pets when you edit your house, so if you go stuff, oh, cool, that's all. Oh, cute, but we don't want to do it, so. If you go into pets, you'll find a few rat beds and stuff like that. You can also get these things. Oh jeez. You get stuck like that, just drop the bed. And then walk away. And don't exit your house. Right, so the other thing I need to show you was in my room only. Oh, don't worry guys. I'm gonna say just one thing again. And into here. Play the piano, Fossil Egg. Let's see, Fossil Eggs can actually play the piano, and you can actually use it for stuff like this. So yeah, didn't get to do much today. It's the horse person. It's the horse person. I love you, horse. Horse person. If for some reason can teleport me. Okay. Why am I giving all this stuff? I'll give her that. But I might also give her something else. Okay. What should I give her? Maybe one of those. I don't have two of these. I have two of these. I have two of these. I have two of those. So the only thing I don't have two of is Fossil Egg, which I'm about to shade. Oh wait, I can accept it. Oh, I want the horse. I want the horse. No. I'm tired. I may haven't had the best day today. But anyway, let's pick this house.
Oh, Harry's playing Breaking Story.
Who is? Some weirdo. Okay, I don't know who that is. That was my sister in Dalmatian. Not the Frost. I'm going to be. What? Who's playing? So I guess that's gonna have to be it, right? Because I haven't got anything else to show you. Why don't we go for our Busy Bee bye? I still need words to say. So, Busy Bee night for now. Bye!